Hey dolls, welcome back to another hair video. In today's video, I will be installing this 13x4 HD body wave lace wig from Wiggins Hair. It's in 24" and the wig came pre-bleached and pre-plucked, and look how full and shiny the hair looks, and it feels really soft too. I was so excited to install this because I knew it was going to come out bomb. So let's get straight into this install. I'm just going to put on this HD cap and use my lace bond to melt that cap. And then I'm going to use my Ruby Kisses foundation and apply that on the wig cap, and I'm also going to apply it on the wig's lace. Y'all, look how bomb this lace is looking already. I love how the wig came pre-bleached and pre-plucked, so that made me be able to install this wig much faster. And I'm just cutting the ear tab so I can make sure that the wig is fitting ear to ear perfectly. And then I'm going to use my Eben lace glue to melt this lace. Y'all, the glue bottle actually broke, so I had to open it and use my comb. And I'm just using my popsicle stick to flatten it out. I applied the glue 3 times and I didn't let it dry completely. I should have waited a little bit longer. Y'all can see the glue kind of seeping through. So if you're using lace glue, don't be in a rush with this process. Let the glue dry down as much as it can. Not completely down, but I definitely should have waited till the glue got a little more clear. I'm about to use my Care wax stick and my hot comb and just use that to flatten the top of the wig so it can be all nice and flat. Now it's time to cut the lace. Like I said, I wish I waited a little bit until the glue was dry, because sometimes when I don't, it comes out like this. But what I do to fix it is just use some of that lace bond and just put it on my finger and just put a little bit around the edge of the lace and put my wig band back on. This hair is. I'm so in love, and it kind of already has a little curl to it, but I am still going to give it some fresh curls, and I'm just going to layer the front a little bit too. And I decided to go with no baby hair. I wanted to give real grown, sexy, and sleek. And it came out so freaking cute. I am in love, y'all. This wig feels great. It's so full and it's so soft. Like, y'all can just see it. All the details and the link to this wig will be in my description. Another big shout out to Wiggins Hair. 10 out of 10 on the wig. And make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see y'all in the next video.